Affiliate marketing as a beginner can be really scary. Why is that? Well, to begin with, there's an awful lot to learn and basically you're doing it all on your own. You don't know what order things need done in, you don't know when they need done by, you don't know what tools you're going to need to make it all happen. It is quite overwhelming. Now you also know there's no magical overnight fix to success, but you don't want to swap one job for another. You don't want to swap one job for another job and be tied to your computer 12 hours a day to make the affiliate marketing work. That's just not what we're in this for. So you need a system that will let you do the work once, whether that's making a video or creating a blog post or whatever, and hopefully receive ongoing passive affiliate commission income out the other end. That's ideally what we're all aiming toward. So my name's Gordon Mackay, and if this outline sounds like your situation right now, well, in this short video I'll introduce a possible solution that I hope you'll find interesting. So you need a system that shows you what you need to do. In an ideal world, you'd sit beside someone who's already experienced in affiliate marketing and watch them show you what to do, and importantly, what mistakes you need to avoid. So my answer to that particular problem is this. This is my personal copy of a book written by Rob Cornish, a hugely successful affiliate marketer. Now, Rob's been involved with affiliate marketing and creating his own products for well over 13 years. He understands the frustration. He's been where we are right now. That's why he wrote this particular book, to help get over that feeling of not knowing what to do, when it needs done, or how to go about achieving that. So, what's in Rob's book? Excuse me. Just so that I wouldn't forget what points I wanted to bring up in this short video, I've actually taken the trouble to write them down. Apologies if I'm reading. So the things that you'll find most useful from Rob's book are actionable strategies that actually work in the real world, lessons that it's taken Rob over 10 years to learn, and that's going to save you a lot of time and frustration. Secrets and shortcuts for beginners and intermediate and advanced marketers alike. So it's not just a book for pure beginners, although it is invaluable for people like myself and probably you that are just starting out in the affiliate marketing industry. So for beginners, it is an absolute gold mine. So for example, on page 27, you'll find about the 15-second niche profitability check that uses a 100% free website. On page 42, the #1 key to unlocking evergreen revenue. You can build a huge curiosity and intrigue so that prospects can't help but give out their email address to you. That will be on page 58 when you get your copy of the book. The very first thing you need to do to monetize new subscribers, that's shown on page 82, and it's a kind of fill in the blanks type template, so it's not difficult to start making use of right away. In all, there are 137 pages giving you full affiliate marketing 101. Rob makes it so easy to understand everything to get you started. Now, as well as the extensive information on affiliate marketing itself, Rob also includes an introduction to email marketing. That is the best way there is to keep in touch with the people who subscribe to your list. Finally, an extensive chapter has been added on moving beyond just affiliate marketing, so that if you have got ambitions to move into the world of product creation, publishing, selling your own products and keeping all the profit, that's the important part. If your ambitions lie in that direction, then the final chapter that Rob's book is going to be really interesting for you. So, just to recap what we've looked at. If you're new to affiliate marketing, it's a lot to learn and understand. You can very easily get overwhelmed. I know before I started I was in exactly the same position. Ideally, you'd want to have your own private mentor sitting beside you showing you what to do, but fact is, you don't. However, you get the next best thing. You can get a copy of Rob Cornish's book, Evergreen Passive Income. Detailed instructions start to finish. No filler, no fluff, just actionable content that you can use today. Well, right now you can get a free copy of Rob's book. You only need to pay the shipping and the handling. If this sounds like it might be useful to you in whatever situation you're in, go to the description below this video, just below it, click the link and see what you think. I got my own copy, I know how good it is. What about you? So, as a beginner trying to get started in affiliate marketing, it's so easy to implement correctly if you have the right instructions. Those instructions are here in this book. So click the link in the description and go and check it out for yourself. Now, thank you for watching this short video, and if you've got any comments or anything at all that you can add to the conversation, just add them to the comments below the video. I'd love to hear what you think. So thanks again for watching. Bye for now.